that 36 of India's most popular protein powders have been found to be 70%, 70% inaccurate about the protein content in the powder. So they've been mislabeled.
अगर आप प्रोटीन पाउडर कंज्यूम करते हैं या कंज्यूम करने का सोच रहे हैं तो ये वीडियो जरूर देखें. A recent independent study lab tested 36 top Indian protein powder brands. And what did they find? They found that nearly 70% of these 36 supplements had inaccurate protein information. इसमें से आधे से ज़्यादा brands were in fact offering just half the protein content mentioned on the label. Also, इसमें से 14% samples में harmful toxins मिले, जबकि 8% samples में pesticides के traces मिले. So, is consuming protein powders bad? Is protein powder harmful for our body? अगर आपको ये डाउट्स है तो सबसे पहले तो लेट्स लुक एट व्हाट द स्टडी सेज. ये स्टडी ये नहीं कहती कि प्रोटीन पाउडर कंज्यूम करना गलत है. इनफैक्ट डॉक्टर एबी फिलिप्स जिन्होंने ये स्टडी कराई है वो खुद कहती है कि वे प्रोटीन इज रिक्वायर्ड फॉर द बॉडी एंड गुड फॉर यू.
So if you're working out or not, 0.8 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight. This is what you require every single day. That means अगर आपका weight से 70 kgs है, you need around 60 grams of protein every day. Now you see, getting this much protein just from food or just from your diet is possible but very very difficult. अगर आपको फैट कम करना है और मसल बढ़ाना है तो प्रोटीन बढ़ाना पड़ेगा. और अगर आप डाइट से ट्राई करोगे तो आपको बहुत ज्यादा फूड खाना पड़ेगा, which will increase your caloric intake and which will not be very efficient to lose weight. Adding protein helps because it increases your protein intake while keeping calories in control. So this will help you build muscle, at the same time lose some weight.
So there you have it. Protein powder is essential and absolutely safe to consume. It is derived from natural sources like plant and milk sources. And whey protein is complete high quality protein that contains all essential amino acids that our body requires. Rather, this study is about protein brands manufacturing adulterated and low quality protein. तो आपको कैसे पता चलेगा कि कौन सा प्रोटीन ब्रांड लेना चाहिए? Stay tuned till the end of the video and we'll tell you the protein powder brands that have been tested for two things that this study talks about. First, inaccurate protein. Second, presence of harmful heavy metals.
There is a lot of fake and falsely labeled protein supplements in the market. You will be shocked to know that the biggest marketplaces in India sell fake protein. And I would say that fake protein is worse than consuming no protein. तो जब ये बात क्रिकेटर KL राहुल ने realize की, he partnered with Yuga Life, India's largest protein and supplement store, and together they started this testing program called H Tested. तो H Tested program क्या है?
So before we tell you more about H Tested, let's talk about one of the most popular protein brands in the world, Optimum Nutrition. इस recent study में Optimum Nutrition का एक product भी टेस्ट किया गया था और एनालिसिस में ये पाया गया कि इस प्रोडक्ट में क्लेम प्रोटीन कंटेंट और एक्चुअल प्रोटीन कंटेंट में अराउंड 3.2 का डिफरेंस था.
So they'll be consuming this product, paying money, thinking that I'm getting 60 grams of protein per 3 scoops or 100 grams, but actually it's containing only maybe 20% or 30%. So this public deception or the consumer deception is something that we need to be aware of. So what you pay for may not be what you actually be getting.
So let's see how Yuga Life solves two issues highlighted in this study: inaccurate protein, presence of harmful heavy metals.
Every product on Yuga Life goes through 3 steps of rigorous testing. तो सबसे पहले an NABL certified independent lab will verify if the product has exactly what it says on the nutrition label.
So for example, let's talk about Optimum Nutrition. Yuga Life's H Tested program tests for inaccurate protein and other nutrients mentioned on the label.
आइए अब हम बात करते हैं स्टैंडर्ड गोल्ड 100% वे प्रोटीन पाउडर के लैब रिपोर्ट्स के बारे में. तो इसकी लैब रिपोर्ट्स वैसे तो आप स्क्रीन पे देख सकते हो. ऑन इसमें क्लेम करता है एक स्कूप में 24 ग्राम प्रोटीन, जबकि इसकी लैब रिपोर्ट्स में पाया गया है 24.15 ग्राम प्रोटीन, और जो कि काफी अच्छा है. और इसका कार्ब्स ये क्लेम कर रहा है 3 ग्राम और इसमें पाया गया है 3.05 ग्राम, जो कि माइनर डिस्क्रिपेंसी है.
टोटल शुगर 0.85 ग्राम वर्सेस 1 ग्राम. दैट्स गुड. शुगर कंटेंट एक्चुअली थोड़ा लो है. ओवरऑल ये क्लेम्स करेक्ट हैं. बहुत माइनर डिस्क्रिपेंसीज है.
तो जैसा कि कंपनी ने क्लेम किया है कि इसके स्कूप का साइज जो है वो 30.4 ग्राम है.
आप देख सकते हैं कि लगभग बराबर है.
The H tested tests for presence of harmful heavy metals.
तो अगर आपके प्रोटीन में हानिकारक हैवी मेटल्स का प्रेजेंस है तो वो आपके लिए काफी टॉक्सिक हो सकते हैं. इसीलिए ह्यूगा लाइफ प्रोडक्ट्स की हैवी मेटल टेस्टिंग करता है। जैसा कि आप देख सकते हो ये प्रोडक्ट कंप्लाइंट है।
So only after a product passes these two steps, Yuga Life will display a etch tested badge on the product page. तो अगर आप किसी भी product page पे etch tested badge देखते हो, that means that product is 100% authentic.
Protein is one of the most important nutrients in your body's growth and development. It's a great source of hitting your body's daily protein goals. So just ensure that you're buying authentic protein from the place you can trust. And that's the reason why Yuga Life and KL Rahul have created the Edge Tested program, so that you can buy lab tested protein supplements without worrying about quality and authenticity. If you're worried about finding the authentic protein powder brands, then I'm sharing the list of brands on screen that have been independently tested for accuracy of nutrition labels and heavy metals. Buy these edge-tested brands from Huga Life with confidence that you're getting nothing but 100% authentic supplements. Please like and comment on this video. Also share this video with your family and friends and subscribe to the Huga Life channel.
Download the Huga Life app now.